What if your international flight could double as a mini vacation at no extra cost? Imagine exploring a whole new city during your layover. Sounds amazing, right? Today we're checking into one of the best travel hacks out there, free stopover programs. These offers from airlines let you turn a long layover into a bonus vacation. We'll take a look at some of the best programs available and why they're worth trying. Plus, I'll share my own type of stopover experience and what I learned from it. I had the right concept earlier this year, but did it all wrong. So what exactly is a free stopover program? It's a special deal that lets you stay in the airline's hub city for 1 to several days without paying extra for your flight. Some programs even offer discounted or free hotels, guided tours, and other perks to make your layover enjoyable and affordable. For example, Iceland Air offers a free stopover for up to 7 days in Reykjavik, perfect for exploring Iceland's incredible landscapes, Blue Lagoon, and Northern Lights. TAP Airline Stopover Program offers up to 10 days in either Porto or Lisbon, discounted hotels, and 25% off a second destination in Portugal, like Azores. Another great example is Turkish Airlines. They have a free stopover in Istanbul. Their program offers a 1 to 3 night free hotel stay depending on if you're flying economy or business class and what country you're flying from. Passengers must be starting and arriving their journey from places on their country list. And that's just a start. Many other airlines are jumping on this trend. Earlier this year, we tried creating our own stopover in Hawaii on our way to Vietnam. We booked separate one-way flights to add a few days in paradise. While it sounded perfect, we ran into some challenges, like lost luggage, because the airlines weren't connected. We ended up scrambling to buy a few things to continue our trip. That's why these official stopover programs are so appealing. The airline handles the logistics, so there's no stress and no surprises. It's an ideal way to break up a long-haul journey and a great taste of a new destination. Here are a couple of tips if you're thinking about trying a free stopover program. When booking, check if the airline offers an official stopover package. These often include discounted hotels and other perks. And make the most of your stopover by planning activities close to the airport or taking advantage of airline arranged tours. Stopover programs are a win-win. They're cost-effective, adventurous, and are perfect for adding a little extra excitement to your trip. The airline sites will guide you through this opportunity, asking if you would like to stay on departure or return and for how many days. So, have you ever tried a free stopover program? Or is there perhaps a stopover city on your travel bucket list? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts.